I know how many people face unemployment back home in my community, in my state, and across the country, and I hope that sometime soon that these people have the same opportunities that I did after being laid off from my job.
You're somebody who I think can be directly impacted and directly helped if Congress gets this thing done and gets it on my desk, I hope, by sometime in October of this year. All right?
We're very grateful to you for your visit. We're glad that you're going to be here for a couple of days, and I look forward to returning the favor by visiting Chile sometime soon.
We hear that argument sometime in Washington. Of how these ties were forged dates back to the middle of the last century, sometime after the guns of war had quieted in the Pacific.
Sometime in the future to support the electric drive vehicle industry. We were very excited when the opportunity came along.
So this is something that has to be dealt with immediately, not sometime later.
I don't feel like a rocket's going to be landing on their head sometime.
What do you want to say to the people there? When do you expect to go down next?
Well, I would expect that sometime in the next several weeks I'll be back down. Sometime around 97 or 98, I don't remember exactly when. The rates had gone down like a couple of percent, and so I told them, well, we're going to have to get them all up there sometime soon. And let me, just say to all the Bears fans, Bulls fans, White Sox fans, and Cubs fans, I want to see all of you sometime soon. And you'll find yourself sometime in situations where folks have had an easier time. They're a little bit ahead of you. You're going to have to work harder than they are.
You're welcome, and I look forward to returning the visit sometime.
Up until sometime early today when I couldn't get a phone call returned, my expectation was that Speaker Boehner was going to be willing to go to his caucus and ask them to do the tough thing but the right thing. The next election is 14 months away, and I'll be happy to tangle sometime down the road.
Beautiful, and the people are wonderful, and I look forward to enjoying some Dutch hospitality sometime soon. So, Mr. Prime Minister.
Yeah, well, thank you so much. It's